Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to set a trailing stop loss on Robinhood options. A trailing stop loss is a risk management tool that allows you to automatically close a position when it falls by a certain percentage or amount from its peak value. This helps to limit potential losses and lock in profits. To set a trailing stop loss on Robinhood options, start by navigating to the options trading section of the app. Select the specific option contract you want to set the trailing stop loss for. Then click on the Edit Trade button to access the order settings. In the order settings, select the stop loss option and choose the trailing stop loss type. You can choose from a percentage-based or fixed amount-based trailing stop loss. For example, you can set a trailing stop loss of 10%. Which means the position will be closed when it falls by 10% from its peak value. Next, set the activation price, which is the price at which the trailing stop loss will be triggered. This can be the current market price or a specific price level you want to set. You can also set a limit price, which is the price at which the position will be closed when the trailing stop loss is triggered. It is essential to understand that a trailing stop loss only works when the market is open and the option is trading. If the market is closed or the option is not trading, the trailing stop loss will not be triggered. Best practices for using trailing stop losses on Robinhood options include setting a reasonable trailing stop loss percentage or amount, monitoring the position regularly, and adjusting the trailing stop loss as needed. It is also crucial to consider the volatility of the underlying asset and the liquidity of the option contract when setting a trailing stop loss. In conclusion, setting a trailing stop loss on Robinhood options is a straightforward process that can help you manage risk and lock in profits. By following these steps and considering key concepts and best practices, you can effectively use trailing stop losses to enhance your options trading strategy. Remember to always monitor your positions and adjust your trailing stop losses as needed to optimize your trading performance.